welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be teaching you how to make an origami bunny. So all you need for the origami bunny is the origami sheet of paper and a pen to draw the eyes. And let's get started. First I'll fold this edge to this edge. And if it doesn't come out good, that's okay. What's important is to have and fold this to that piece. And turn it over and fold this. Do something on the other side, and then we turn it over and fold it here to here. Let's do it. Matching really well is I'm just going to turn it around to make it easier for me if you don't want to do that. And then now you're going to open it up. And now you're going to fold it here, which George's going to actually fold that really well and do it in the other sides too. And then you're going to do something called a squash fold. So a squash fold is, you have to do this to the paper and it comes out like a triangle. So let's try it. First, you're going to take the crease and press on it. So it comes out perfect like that. And then when you do this, it comes out like a triangle. Really cool. You do the same thing on all four sides. I mean, people have to move the camera side to side if you're doing it really long. Like if you're taking the video, if you have to not use that much of it. So I am going to do it, so like lifting it up and do it. Do that. And now you're going to flip it over. And then you're going to do that. Kind of like that. So that's basically weird. So, but it will turn out good at the end. And there's something on the other side. I'm turning it around and like flipping it over and all to show you how that's right. And then flip it over and then just do this, which is kind of hard, but you can see now. I am trying to not to move that much. Then you can turn it side, do that, and that's really well. And if how long you want the head to be, you can do this. But I think this is just fine. This much. No, I think it has to be really long. So I think this is fine. And then I'm going to make the leg, which is really cool. The legs are made really cool. Okay, you can see that. You have to fold that, and then what you do is open it up. For some reason, I don't know how this comes, but since it's really cool, it's just really cool to me. Oh wait, it has to be really good to do it. But you have to be really good, really good crafter maker to do that leg. But that's okay if you're not, because this is action. That's what we do. And yeah, that's really cool, right, guys? And now you're gonna take this nose and fold it like that. Take the first side and fold it like this. And then open it up, like flip it over like that, and then take this one and do that. It's kind of hard to do it. And now you have this liquid to play. And now you're gonna place it down again. And take this, flip it over, and then fold it like that. And then take this, flip it over, and then fold it like that to the crease, and then we're done. And then you have this. And then we're actually basically done, guys. Thank you for watching. And this is how it looks like with the eye on. It's really cute with the eye on. My hands are really shaking that much, so don't worry. So bad. Look, it looks so cute, right? Thank you for watching. Bye.